Yeah, hi, Rob Hughes from Training Sense Direct. Quick video on what it means to become a self-employed lift engineer. I've had a few inquiries the last week or so. A self-employed lift engineer is somebody who gets paid to the person and not for a limited company. And usually it's a person that undertakes works on a project by project basis. So they get a set price for the work and they complete the work, and then themselves and the lift company then walk their own way. Also on top of that, a self-employed engineer would typically have half a dozen or 10-15 contacts with different lift company owners. So they might work for a very large company in January, and in February they're working for smaller companies. A self-employed engineer would earn more money than an employed engineer, although obviously there's no holiday pay and employee benefits. There's more to it than that, obviously. If you need any further advice, feel free to give me a call or drop me a direct message, and I'll be sure to help you further. Okay, bye for now.